Today is I have been looking everywhere for y'all. And I mean everywhere. I did not think to look in the goddamn refrigerator. What are y'all doing up in here? Are y'all trying to force me to clean my refrigerator? Because y'all see it's dirty, right? It's real dirty. It needs to be wiped down and cleaned out. Plus, we got some new groceries today we need to put up in here. So whenever y'all decide to come up out of here, we'll get to cleaning, okay? Y'all let me know when y'all come up out of here. Let me know. All right, see y'all later. Hey y'all, welcome to another video. My name is Shakitha Michelle. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've been here before, thank y'all so much for coming back today. Today is Friday. It's March the 13th. Friday the 13th. Woohoo! Yeah, I feel like I might want to watch a scary movie today. We're going to see. But first of all, we're going to try to clean out this refrigerator, do a little bit of cleaning today. So it might take us a couple of days. We're going to start this vlog today, okay? So, in true key to fashion, I forgot to charge my phone. I had to go to the doctor today, y'all. I had to get my annual. So they had to take blood from me and all the things. So I'm just not getting back at home. My order made it here before I did. So yeah, I got to clean the refrigerator out so I can put my groceries up. But thank y'all so much for joining me today. We're going to keep this video real quick and light. Y'all boy Lucky is on site. He ready. So let's get started. I'm sorry for interrupting y'all real quick. Can y'all hit that like button for me, please? Thank you. Dun, 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 dun. Gotta tackle this next.
Could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on before I see you.
Hey y'all, it's me again. I'm just reminding y'all to thumbs up my video.
Only you. I wanna touch you with
Lots of people really quickly. Lots of people. You have a lunch packet.
The Lux people.
overhead is going to be sliding eastward early next week. So until then, it's going to be warm, mostly dry. We get a sudden little break in those temperatures over the weekend as a weak front arrives, but another rain chance for us again by the middle part of next week. Those rain chances stay slim with this next cool front. Little drop over the weekend.
Shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on it. Come over and check up on it. Come over and check up on it.
Good morning. Thank you for calling. My name is Keita. How may I help you today? Y'all, it is Wednesday. I got on the same clothes. I tend to wear the same thing a couple of days since I work from home. So I got on the same clothes. About to get ready for work. Well, I'm already ready for work. I'm about to go ahead and start my coffee and be lucky. You know, all the things. So good morning, y'all. Welcome to this another day. I didn't get to do what I wanted to do last night. So maybe today we can clean the living room. So yeah, but I'm off that, y'all.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I can't believe I
Oh, you passed by Kim house going home?
No, I was gonna make a little detour. I mean, I make a little detour. I would have went to go see Kim, but no, she's sick, so nope.
Oh, yeah.
Look, nope. Man, baby. And she gonna tell me last night, oh, I wish I could see you. Absolutely not. You don't remember me being a sickly kid? Absolutely not.
Right? I miss Candace coming to my house every morning for work. I've been bored. Nobody listen to me go off on the people on the phone.
See if I can get one for this.
Oh, she don't.
I mean, oh, she getting that banner. That banner's already made. She getting that. You guys can't do nothing with the banner on her face home.
Right.
That's her. I still might though. Wait. Only need like 19,000.
The first day we met, there is no one else I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget